Definition of case taking. Case taking is a unique art of receiving information from a patient as well as from bystanders to define the patient as a person and diagnose the disease. Dr. Hahnemann's instructions about case taking. Master Hahnemann was the first person to realize that the whole man is sick and not the organ. Hence, he advocated a holistic approach while treating a person who is sick. मास्टर हैनमन पहले इंसान थे जिनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि होल मैन सिक रहता है, ना कि उसका कोई ऑर्गन। इसीलिए उन्होंने एक ऐसा अप्रोच एडवोकेट किया पेशेंट को नहीं, पर्सन को ट्रीट करने के लिए जो सिक है। उस अप्रोच को बोलते हैं होलिस्टिक अप्रोच। From the beginning of his medical career, he strongly appealed to his contemporary physicians not to neglect any deviation from health and to study them in detail, taking into account the whole person and his environment. उनके मेडिकल करियर के बिगिनिंग से ही उन्होंने फिजिशियंस को अब समझाया कि कोई भी हेल्थ से डिविएशन होगा उसे अच्छे से डिटेल में स्टडी करें, होल पर्सन को ध्यान में रखें और उसके एनवायरनमेंट को ध्यान में रख के केस को स्टडी करें। इन मेडिसिन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस 1805 he has described the method of investigation of a sick man, and thereafter in almost each edition of Organon of Medicine he has progressively unfolded the methods of knowing the patient. मेडिसिन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस जो उन्होंने लिखा था 1805 में, उसमें उन्होंने मेथड दिया है कि सिक मैन को कैसे इन्वेस्टिगेट करना है। उसके बाद ऑर्गेनॉन ऑफ मेडिसिन के हर एक एडिशन में उन्होंने ये मेथड्स को समझाया है धीरे धीरे। It is imperative for homeopathic physicians to understand and implement those instructions given in aphorisms 83 to 104 in Organon of Medicine. The instructions are mentioned below. Aphorism 83. This individualizing examination of a case of disease, for which I shall only give in this place general directions, of which the practitioner will bear in mind only what is applicable for each individual case, demands of the physician nothing but freedom from prejudice and sound senses, attention in observing and fidelity in tracing the picture of the disease. एफोरिज्म 83 ने उन्होंने केस को कैसे एग्जामिनेशन करना है वो समझाया है। It is evident from the above aphorism that there cannot be a very strict direction which is applicable for each case. Every examination of a case of disease should be individualized. Since each case is unique in all respects, only the individualized approach can explore the true picture and help a physician to arrive at a totality in its true sense. हर केस एग्जामिनेशन इंडिविजुअलाइज्ड होना चाहिए क्योंकि हर एक केस यूनिक रहता है। सिर्फ इंडिविजुअलाइज्ड अप्रोच से ही हम लोग ट्रू पिक्चर निकाल सकते हैं डिसीज़ का और फिजिशियन को हेल्प हो सकती है कि वो टोटालिटी पे पहुँचे। द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इंडिविजुअलाइजेशन होल्ड्स दैट एवरी इंडिविजुअल इज़ डिफरेंट इन हेल्थ एज वेल एज इन डिसीज़, and hence every case has to be examined individually, giving importance to its unique expressions during health and sickness. The individual is to be studied in his own environment, that is, family, work, society. डॉक्टर हानेमन के इंस्ट्रक्शंस में there are points which are freedom from prejudice. The physician should not have prejudices about the case presented to him with regard to the process of studying the case, diagnosis, interpretation, processing of data and prescription. Next है sound senses. Next है attention in observing. Next है fidelity in tracing the picture of the disease. Then there are these aphorisms which I explained.